Hey everyone, it's Josh at Kenworth of Richfield. The W9 set the standard for class, innovation, and reliability. The standard just got raised. This is the brand new Kenworth 990 in heavy haul day cab and mid-roof sleeper combinations. Since I had the opportunity to hang out with these trucks for a few minutes, I figured I'd bring you guys along for the tour. Let's check these out.
Kenworth built this truck using their innovative and proven 2.1 meter cab platform. Strong enough to work in almost any application, this truck is versatile enough to definitely have a personality all its own. With lighting packages, twin chrome stacks, and stainless steel sun visors, you can make this truck one of a kind from the factory. With its tall, flat, wire mesh grille and stainless steel side air intakes, there is no mistaking the heritage of this truck. Another big advantage of using the 2.1 meter cab is things like the triple door seal carry over into this W990. And once you get past those triple sealed doors, the available limited edition interior of this truck takes the game up yet another notch. The black with the royal blue stitching on the seats, the walls, and even the steering wheel is a combination that's unique and has the interior looking just as sharp as the exterior. I could talk for hours about the outside of the truck, but a picture's worth 1,000 words, right?
So after you've got the tour, I've got to ask what you think about the trucks. Do me a favor, put it in the comments below. I always love to hear the feedback. I'd love to hear what you guys think. In the same sense, if you like the video, by all means give us a thumbs up. I do want to give a big shout out to the drivers. They brought these trucks out of their way. We're obviously here in the evening. I'm pretty sure they're hungry and want to get dinner. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe for them. By all means, keep it rubber side down, and I will see you on the flip side.